Okay, sports fans, we got a special presentation here tonight. We are going to do something that we've never done before in Grandpa's Hobby Garage. Yeah, that's what it is. First of all, we got to say we're sponsored by Mountain Dew. Diet Mountain Dew, of course. Nectar of the Gods. So what we're going to do tonight is we're going to do a kind of a quick unboxing of a Pershing M26 Pershing tank. Okay, one thing I want to say, I really do like the Heng Long boxes. We unbox everything here at Grandpa's Hobby Garage, from Toros to tomatoes to tomatoes to whatever. But Heng Long does a good job on their boxes. Now what we did, we bought the professional version of this. I kind of quit buying the plastic versions. I've had some typical problems with buying the plastic model. There it is, the Pershing, along with the controller. Now we're not going to run this tonight because we got some special plans for this. Now, why we're not going to bother doing a lot with this tonight is because why we're going to make this video a lot shorter. See the screen there? That is the Tankenstein, or Super Pershing. Now what they've done, they've added extra armor up here. They've added a mantlet off of a Panzer IV. They added these elephant ears up here and some weight back there. Come over to this screen. See, here's the bustle on the back where they added, like, what do they say, 1,800 pounds more weight or something? And they had to put springs in here to hold the... Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff they had to do to it. Anyway, and while we get into the design, what we've done over here, we've downloaded, this is a cheapy freebie three-dimensional model. 3D model here, different views of it, and we're going to have this 3D model, but we're going to download, pay a little bit of money and download a decent 3D model of the Pershing tank, and we're going to design ourselves and build this. We've got a couple of 3D printers here at Grandpa's Hobby Garage, and we're going to build us a Super Pershing, or in other words, a Tankenstein. We're going to keep you availed of the process. We're going to have you guys, witness the transformation of our Pershing into a Tankenstein. We're going to do it in SolidWorks, and so we're going to maybe have the STL files available and maybe even do some 3D printing, some kits. I'm not promising. Without further ado, don't forget, we're sponsored. Well, this episode was sponsored by my 3/4 the way drunk, warm, unfizzed Diet Mountain Dew. Thanks. Appreciate y'all. Subscribe, damn it. Bye.